In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to comment on a Miro board, whether you're reviewing designs, giving feedback on a workshop canvas, or leaving a reminder for yourself. Comments are the fastest way to communicate right where the work lives. First, open your web browser and go to the Miro website. If you aren't already signed in, enter your account details and log in so you land on your dashboard. That's where all your boards live. If you have a lot of boards, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the one you need, or filter by project or team to narrow things down. Next, open your Miro board. Give it a second to load fully so all the tools appear on the left toolbar. To add a comment, look for the comment tool on the left side. It looks like a small speech bubble. Click it once to activate comment mode. Now, move around the board to the exact area where your feedback belongs. If you need to reposition, hold the space bar and drag to pan, or use your mouse wheel or trackpad to zoom in for precision. When you click on the spot you want, a comment box will pop up, anchored to that location. Type your message in the box. Keep it clear and specific so teammates immediately know what to do. If you want to notify a colleague, type the @ symbol followed by their name to mention them. They'll get a notification tied to this comment. Need to add a little structure? Keep sentences short and action-oriented. When you're ready, press Enter to post. If you want a line break without posting, use Shift plus Enter. After posting, you can click the comment pin to reopen the thread, add replies, or resolve it when the issue is addressed. If the pin isn't exactly where you want it, drag it to fine-tune the placement. That's it. Your comment is now part of the board and easy for others to find. To exit comment mode, press Escape or choose another tool from the left toolbar. As a quick tip, adding one comment per topic keeps discussions tidy, and referencing nearby objects, like update the label on this sticky, helps avoid confusion. If collaborators don't see your comment, double-check board sharing settings to ensure they have access. You're done. You've gone to Miro, opened your board, and added a precise, actionable comment right where it matters.